In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add a bill of materials to my assembly drawing. So from the annotation ribbon, I'm going to select the drop-down arrow below Tables, then select Bill of Materials. SOLIDWORKS will prompt me to which view to create the table from. I'm just going to choose my exploded view. And then over here I have all my options to set up the bill of materials. I can even navigate to my own standard if I've created an Excel spreadsheet for it. For this simple assembly, I'm just going to accept the defaults. And then I've created my bill of materials. And I can drop this into the drawing view wherever I would like it. And I'll just lock it here. And by default, it's listed the item numbers, the part numbers, their description, and their quantity. But the first thing I notice is the description for the spring slotted or roll pin is missing. And the reason for that is because I haven't added one to it yet. The description for all my parts come from the file properties of the part where I've entered description. But this is out of the toolbox. So to fix that, I'll Control Tab back to my assembly that's open. I'll right click on the spring roll pin and select Edit Toolbox Component. Here, I'll select the Add button. This window will pop up with the default part number that SOLIDWORKS has assigned it, and I can change that if I want. So I'm going to change the default part number to 92373A015, and I'm going to add the description that it's a 1/16 by 1 inch slotted spring pin. So now that I have my internal part number and a description, I'll select OK. I'll say OK here. I'll rebuild and save my assembly, and then I'll Control Tab back to my drawing, and the description has appeared here in the Bill of Materials table. With my Bill of Materials, if I want to change its appearance, I can come near the Bill of Materials, click on it, and then once I get up over this square, I have the options for how I would like the font to be. So I can change the justification of whichever cells I have highlighted. So if I would like these cells to be center justified, I can select that. I can also insert a column to the right or left. Again, I get near the bill of materials, move my mouse up here, and I can right click and tell it to insert a column left or right. I can do the same on the side to insert a row above or below. And one more time, I'm going to select my bill of materials. And if I come over here, I can switch it so the table header is at the bottom rather than the top, or I can put it back to the top. And that's a quick look at how we can add a bill of materials to our assembly.